Canadá.
Sí.
Un saludo especial para la gente hermosa de Canadá.
Muchas gracias.
Desde Cali, Colombia. Allá está haciendo frío, aquí no. A toda la gente beautiful de Canadá. You people, I love you forever. Hey, you from Colombia. Hey, bye bye.
And the lights are shining bright. Colombia, gonna see my love tonight. It's a perfect night for dancing. The ocean breeze is saying, Colombia, that's the light.
Buenas empanadas, damas y caballeros. Well, I was just dumped off where I'm about to do 2 different adventures today. I'm about 30 minutes from Villa de Leyva by bus. I took a 9:30 a.m. bus from the terminal. I can't remember what the bus said as far as the town that it was going to, but you just tell them that you're going to the Aventura Park, which is Adventure Park in English, or the Las Cascadas, which I'm doing both today, so should be interesting. I'm going to do the aerial bicycle, which is a cable that runs across in the air, I think 30 meters up in the air or something like that. So that'll be the first time for that. Put that one off the list, and I'll probably do a zip line, and then I'll go to the waterfalls. So it should be a fun day. I don't think I have to walk too terribly far to get to both, but we shall soon see. Beautiful little country road here. So you don't go down this road. So you'll be watching for this store. The driver will be dropping you off right there. And then you see that store right straight ahead with the little mural. You're going to take a left down that way, and then you'll see signs where you need to go to get to either the adventure park or Las Cascadas, the waterfalls. Just chatting to this gentleman right here. He lives in Boyaca now. Really friendly fellow. So as expected, I'm passing by the entrance to the waterfalls, and then just continuing on down this road here. And it looks like we'll be taking a left-hand turn here, izquierda aquí, and I believe that is the park just up on the hill there, so we're not too far away now. And we are now here at the entrada for Aventura Park. I don't know why they say park spelled like the English version, but they do that occasionally down here. So walk down there and up there, and somebody will apparently be greeting me to ask me what things I want to do. Bueno, estoy listo para Aventura, and my assistant here is going to put me in the straps. Estoy listo.
¿Listo? Bueno. ¿Sostienes de acá? Sostienes.
Oh, okay.
Dale, mira. ¿Vas a agarrar de acá? Agarras.
¿Eso?
Sí.
En aquí. As you can see, I'm just a little confused.
¿En otro por acá?
Yeah. And here goes the... Primero es la bicicleta.
Sí, señor. Primero bicicleta y terminamos con el canopy rápido.
Bueno. So first I'll be doing the bicycle, which you can just barely see some people going across over there. It's probably tiny in the camera, but hopefully I can take video while I'm riding with one hand. Helmet. ¿Cuál es la palabra por eso en español?
Casco.
¿Casco?
Casco.
Casco.
¿Listo? Entonces, si quieres, seguimos para guardar tu maleta.
Bueno.
Por acá.
Just dropping off my camera bag so it can be guarded with my camera in it. Oh, a locker. Perfect. Okay, so after putting that in the locker down there, I've been sent off on my own. There goes a couple more people. And this is the bathrooms here. And as I've mentioned before, if you're going to come here and many other places like it, you're going to need to bring your own toilet paper. So always come prepared for that. And as you can see, a nice view as you're walking up. It's almost like you have to be in shape just to get to the platform where you start. Okay, I think I'm ready. It's the first time for this, so should be interesting. Alright, he's harnessing me up like a horse.
¿Listo?
Sí.
Oprimimos los frenos, pisamos el pedal y nos subimos. Vamos. Arriba. Eso. Frena. Brakes.
Brakes.
Sí.
Solo la una. Aquí.
Exacto. Y yo mantengo esto. ¿Listo?
No. Un momentito.
Dale, ya, dale que yo te tengo que dar la vez.
Bueno.
¿Listo?
Sí, listo.
1, 2, 3, vamos. Eso, perfecto, grábate a ti.
Okay, here we go. You don't have to have a whole lot of balance to do this. Mi tía es aquí también. So he says it's 30 meters high. Definitely, as you can see, my legs are moving slowly. You wouldn't want to be doing this for 1 kilometer, that's for sure. You'd be worn out really quickly. Just a short little venture. And here we are already.
Listo, dame el pedal, mira. Y te vas.
Bueno.
Listo, ¿qué tal te fue?
Ah, bien. Me gusta.
¿De dónde vienes tú?
Soy de Canadá.
Canadá.
Sí, la costa occidental. And as you can see, he's doing a reversal here. And then we go back the other way. So we're talking about less than 5 minutes of fun, but you gotta do these things once, right?
¿Listo?
Sí.
Vamos. Esos quedan así. Súbete, deja estas líneas debajo de tu brazo. Por fuera, no, por fuera. Mete el brazo tuyo acá. Eso, espérame. Eso, y ahora sí te subes. Esta mano acá.
Puede ya.
Sí, claro. Y arriba. ¿Verdad?
Gracias. And we are ready to go again.
¿Quieres que paremos en toda la mitad?
¿Cómo?
¿Quieres que paremos en toda la mitad?
Ah, no entiendo.
Vamos. Dale.
Fortunately, sometimes I don't understand things, but I think I'm doing all the work. He's not doing nothing. Beautiful view. This would be an alright job to have. Go back and forth all day. And we're here.
Listo.
Bueno,
Frena, pisa el pedal y te vas.
así.
¿Qué tal nos fue?
Me gusta, sí, me gusta aventuras. ¿Y tu nombre es?
Juber.
Juber?
Juber.
lluvia.
Listo.
Bueno.
Vamos a ir a la siguiente actividad, que es el
Sí.
canopy.
El segundo es
Súper
zipline
rápido.
rápido, sí.
Sí, exacto.
Entonces, ¿cuál dirección?
Sí, vamos para allá, Fred.
¿Derecho?
Sí, señor.
Bueno. Gracias, hasta luego. On to the zip line. Obviously, this is going to be a very short stay here at the park. So then, what? Superman and the canopies. Of course, I want canopy rapido. That's the fast one.
Una posición durante todo el trayecto.
Sí, claro.
Quiere decir que con la posición que yo te envié acá, al freno, al finalizar, debes llegar con esa posición.
Ok.
¿Listo?
Sí.
Sin soltarse. Ya te explico bien cómo. Entonces, siéntate. Eso, bien, así. Siéntate. Baja más la mano.
Ok.
Ahí.
Ok.
Siéntate. Bien. Cruza los pies. Ahí, un besito. ¿Ya estás grabando?
Ok.
Cruza los pies.
Sí.
Crúzalos. Bien. Recógelos. Encógelos. Eso. Ahí. Esta es la posición que debes mantener siempre.
Ok.
Fuerte.
Claro.
¿Listo? 1, 2, 3. Chao.
That was a surprise at the end.
Van a poner las manos acá y los pies los subes acá, al tercero. Cógete acá. ¿Cómo estuvo? ¿Chévere?
Sí, mucho. Me gusta mucho.
Listo. Bueno. Vas a ir por este sendero y bajas hacia el lado derecho, ¿vale?
Por acá,
sendero
derecho
y
y
bajas hacia
a la...
esa.
Bueno, gracias. All right. So that was apparently 60 kilometers per hour. I don't know if it was or not, but it went pretty darn fast. I would have liked to have adjusted the camera position, but I was specifically told, do not move. So I didn't. I obeyed for once. But yeah, that was fun, and now it's over. To the waterfalls, I guess. So yeah, be ready if you do this at the very end. You can probably tell my camera kind of flipped up because you just hit this wham and you stop. You go flying upwards, and I wasn't expecting that at all. On the other zip line that I did, I told him I did it in San Gil. He said it's totally different, this one, and it was. On the other one I did, there was supposed to use hand brakes. This one didn't have any hand brakes. So some of the other options are this obstacle course, and obviously you just walk along these ropes, and then probably you come back across those wooden things in the second row, and vice versa, I guess, for all those ropes. Well, I guess that's the second one over there, but I've done that a couple times, and that's kind of I mean, it's kind of fun, but not the kind of fun I want to really pay for. I'm not joining the military, so it's just, I don't know, it's almost more like an exercise routine than an adventure for me, so I'm going to pass on those things. The other option, where I just did the zip line, is the Tarzan swing, which is just a basic thing where they start you off and then you go way up high and then you kind of just swing back and forth. I did that at the adventure park in San Gil as well, so no need to do that again. It was fun, but not too exciting. Unfortunately, we have some guy up here with his loud machinery, but anyway, I'll just show you around a little bit. The woman said it was okay to do a little bit of wandering, so promotion for them. So glamping is becoming a very popular thing down here in Colombia, so you can do that too. Oh, please keep that thing turned off for a bit. Okay, so this is the obstacle course up here. So you're gonna walk through these balancing logs, and again, I'll do that if a drill sergeant makes me, but I don't need to do that kind of stuff. Right there's a place to eat and snacks. I have a barbecue there. Thank goodness this guy's talking to leaf blower guys, so he's quiet for a little bit. This is basically the entrance right here. And yeah, it's fun. They do have combos, so if you want to do more things, then you can probably pay a little bit less for the more that you do. Not sure what's up there, but that's going to be about it. Next, I'm going to go to these waterfalls right here. All right, just retracing my steps now back to the waterfall area. This guy is here once again, still munching away in the exact same spot. Hola caballo. So it's not too far away. Oh, we got some friendly cows, some vacas aquí. Come to say hello. Hola. Hola, Herbert. Yeah. Oh, wow, this guy's really excited. Hola. Good stuff, eh? That grass. Que tengas un buen día. And I'm back at the waterfalls now. Siga means continue. La Periquera. So it's got a restaurant here, but beware that restaurants are pretty much always more expensive when they're on locations like this. Okay, let's see what we have here. Siga, bienvenidos, welcome. Continue. Parqueadero, that's for vehicles parking. 3,000, carro o motos, motorcycles 3,000, cars 5,000, that's not much. And I got a dog barking over there. Where's the place where you pay? Probably over here, I guess. Pregunte aquí. That means questions over here. Restaurante. Hola, perros. Buenos días. ¿Tengo que pagar por la entrada por aquí o?
¿Las cascadas?
Sí.
Sí, señora, allá en la casita roja.
Ajá.
Es la entrada.
Ok, bueno,
Sí,
gracias.
señor. Bueno.
So I have to go back to that house. Surprised that somebody didn't come out and say, over here, over here. Buenos días.
¿Cómo está el señor?
Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
Bien, sí,
Mucho
señor.
gusto.
Mucho gusto, Erley León.
¿Cuánto es por una persona?
25.
25, bueno.
Perfecto.
So the cost is.
¿Me regala su nombre, por favor?
Sí. Mi nombre es Tomás Dawson.
Tausan.
¿Quiere mi pasaporte para
Se escribe Tausan.
D-A-W-S-O-N?
Tausan.
Sí.
Tomás Tausan.
Sí, señor.
Ya le paso su 25.
Gracias.
Permítame. Y los niños de Carlos.
Algunos sembrando árboles ya.
Eso, muy bien.
Hola, ¿cómo
Hola.
Señor Tausan, que viene a acompañarnos, usted le puede indicar en la,
Sí, señor.
la ruta.
Disculpe.
Sí.
¿Puedo
Que
hacer un
disfrute el
costado?
paseo.
Gracias. ¿Cuánto es por una botella de agua?
De agua 3000.
3,000. Bueno, por favor.
3.
No es necesario.
¿No?
No. Si quiere espacio, está de acuerdo conmigo.
Es que yo solo
para...
les doy las indicaciones acá y el guía está en la parte de las cascadas.
Sí.
Bienvenidos al Santuario Sagrado Cascadas La Periquera, anteriormente llamado Cascadas La Guacamaya, que para los indígenas muisca significa hijos que interpretan los sueños. A continuación realizará una caminata ecológica contemplativa, es una caminata relajante y desestresante en la cual podrá observar 3 cascadas. El recorrido tiene un aproximado en tiempo de ir hasta la tercera cascada y volver hasta este punto de encuentro inicial de 40 minutos. El recorrido se puede extender o se puede reducir, ya todo depende del estado físico de los visitantes y el tiempo que desee estar dentro del lugar. Este es el mapa del recorrido que hará el día de hoy. Nos encontramos en este punto de encuentro inicial. Va a ingresar por un bosque tropical alto andino. Después de haber caminado aproximadamente 10 a 15 minutos va a encontrar el primer mirador donde podrá observar la primera cascada desde la parte superior. De ahí va a descender aproximadamente 5 minutos a la segunda cascada. En este lugar podrán visualizar la primera cascada totalmente de frente y la segunda cascada de un perfil lateral. De ahí saldrá y caminarán aproximadamente 7 minutos a la tercera cascada y regresará nuevamente a nuestro punto de encuentro inicial.
Bueno.
El guía está en la parte de las cascadas. Las únicas recomendaciones para ingresar a la caminata son, por favor, no salirse del sendero y no atravesar hacia el río. El río se llama Río de la Ceba y nos encontramos todavía en el municipio de Villa de Leyva.
Bueno.
Continuamos por acá, por favor.
So basically he is just explaining where we're going.
La mayoría del sendero está debidamente señalizado, cuenta con una baranda como la que puedes observar. Puedes tomarte todo el tiempo que desees en el recorrido. Por todo el sendero, por favor.
Yeah, he was just explaining how long it's going to take, where we're going, and basic things. I don't know if a guide was mandatory or not. I was actually hoping not to have to use a guide, but I guess, well, actually, I guess I have things a little mixed up here. He's just directing me in the right direction. So now I'm on my own. I think he said something about another guide. I wasn't clear on that because he spoke really fast, as you could see. I understood most of it, but obviously I missed a little bit of that part. Earlier on I saw a whole bunch of kids coming down here, so I hope they've kind of cleared out. If you watched any of my other videos, you probably know that this is my thing. This is what I enjoy most, just getting out into nature. And if there's some nice waterfalls, all the better. So this is really nice. As you can see, there's lots of signs marking the way, so that's good. Villa a las Cascadas. Siga, continue, keep going. Apparently, resbaloso means slippery in Spanish. And it does look like it's a little muddy and slippery, but nothing too crazy. And continuing on a grass path after just going down some stone steps, natural stones. Those are very pretty. So I was going to mention the entrance fee, 25,000 pesos, 25,000 pesos. That's about 750 Canadian, 650 US dollars. Again, I'm not sure where the guide comes into play down here. I think he said at the end where it's maybe a little bit more difficult or something. I presume that guide is included in all that. So it's I'm gonna say a little more expensive for just coming to see some waterfalls, but not a huge price. But that's going to be very common in Colombia. You have to pay an entrance fee to see waterfalls all over the place, and sometimes the guide is mandatory, so it's getting to be a little more costly to go out into the nature. And here we are at Cascade number 1. And I think somebody's getting maybe ready to do the rappel over there, which I'm not going to bother. So I'm going to get down there, start taking some photos. As you can see, the earth is a very terracotta color down here. Continuing on down to the second waterfall. And by the way, there's technically, they say 3 waterfalls on some of the videos that I watched. It's a mighty pink color for a tree. Some of the videos I watched, people were saying it's 7 waterfalls, but I guess it's some little cascades or rapids for the other 4. But we'll see. We'll assess for ourselves how many waterfalls there are. Lots of stairs. So again, not a wheelchair friendly place. You have to do a little bit of exercise to come here. As you can probably hear off in the background, we are now arriving to Cascada. It says número 3. It's not bad. I'm hoping I can maybe go into the water over here a little bit and get a nice angle. I think it would be better than just straight on. Quite beautiful in here. Damas y caballeros, I think I'm going to sign off here. So in actuality, there's only really 2 cascades that you can do photos of, this being one of them. The other cascade, technically, the guide just told me, is this one down here, and then the other one further down the path. So you can't really get to the base of this one, unfortunately. That's the way it goes. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little adventure today, the adventure park, and the 2 or 3 Cascadas. So I'm going to sign off. Hope you enjoyed the video. And remember, there's no you in Colombia, but hopefully you can come visit this beautiful country someday. Hacia los tacos. Ciao. Lesson number 1 about coming to Colombia. Always bring your umbrella. Somebody's yacht. Things can change quickly, as they just did.